Welcome back everybody to the R44 channel. Today we've got quite a cool little build. It's an OG kind of kit for us for an OG car. So this is an F20 actually, 4-door car behind me, finished in mineral grey. If you're fond of the company, we actually started from this platform about 4 years ago. So we've got 3 mods in front of us. Well, 3 plus a splitter, because unfortunately he ripped off his front splitter on the way here. So on the left here we have a Scorpion GPF OPF delete pipe. Got paired up with a BMW under chassis brace that was found on like the 2 Series, which 1 Series owners kind of jumped on the hype and seen the improvements for handling. We've got a computer. We're going to flash this car with a boot mod 3 stage 1 just to remove the OPF lights and just kind of increase the power, and then finishing up with an MHC Black front splitter. So let's get into it. Let's look in more detail what these parts do and how they can improve your car. All right, so we're gonna have a little look underneath the car before we get started. So this is a classic mod for kind of F20, F21, F22 owners, P58, res delete. It's quite a cool pipe, so he's just obviously had this hand fabricated, which makes a huge difference. If you have a pre-68 plate car here in Europe, without the OPF filter, you might have I think you have another resonator here, so take them both out. Car sounds amazing. So Scorpion do a pipe, one's called a GPF delete, so it removes this part, and then it connects kind of up here, I believe right here, and then they also do a res section which would remove this resonator and connect up here. So they do have 2 options which are now live on the website on this link as well. This is the chassis brace, removes this, connects back and heads out, and we just got to put some OEM kind of hangers down, screw that up, and that's kind of the underneath done. And then we'll get over to the splitter, finish the car up, go for a quick test drive, check it, and then we'll do the mapping. Now we've wrapped everything up, the car is done, it sounds good, the customer's happy with the power. We've gone for a stage 1 on boot mod 3, we've got the Scorpion midsection fitted, the BMW chassis brace helped with a bit of handling, paired up with his current Motech springs and spacers, and then of course an MHC front splitter. But if you want anything that's on this car today, use goodbye OPF at checkout for a nice little discount. Man, to be honest, these cars, 500 and something pound for a map, £200 for a midsection. It's crazy when we normally deal with the M cars where a normal, like a front splitter or a grille, is the same price as this whole basket. But anyways, hope you've enjoyed this video. Check out what's next on this platform, and we'll see you all soon.